all kinds of stuff. TarylFixesAll.com. Pick yourself up something today, and there's your dinner. Pterodactyl here, and today's video is going to be on this here Honda EU 2000i. EU stands for ew. Now, the customer that brought this in had taken it to another shop, and they told him it was junk, or it wasn't worth repairing, or it was going to be too expensive to repair. So the customer, just like a lot of people, wanted a second opinion, you know, like a doctor, because I am a doctor. I'm the lawnmower doctor sometimes. So I'm going to start it up, and I'm going to show you what it's doing. And then I'm going to show you what it's going to take to fix it, because it's not junk. It's a pretty simple fix. It's got no power. So I'm going to remove this air filter assembly. Take that cover off, take these foam pieces out. .5/16 or 8mm. Take these off. There's another one down here. There's a hose right here, a vent hose. Disconnect that. You can get this out of the way. Then, like I've done in some of my other videos, I got these little spacers that I always keep so that I can re-secure the carburetor. And I'm only doing this so I could show you what it's doing without the air filter assembly on there. I gotta put my spectacles on. I'm gonna turn it back on. I'm gonna choke it. Sounds terrible, don't it? Sounds like it's got a valve problem. Did you see how it was shooting the gas out of the carburetor instead of sucking it in? So I got to thinking, this has probably got some kind of major valve problem or something. Then it dawned on me, that's probably not what's wrong with it. So stay tuned. We're going to delve deeper into this. So I'm thinking, it's probably something with the muffin. So I took the muffin off. And now I'm going to start it without the muffin. So it ain't spitting and sputtering like it was earlier, because the muffin is plugged. And look at this muffin. It's a big, heavy muffin, because that's what makes it so quiet. It's such a big, heavy muffin, and it's warm right now, and it's warming me up. Oh, it feels so warm. Hi, muffin. Oh, that's not my kitty cat. So, check out the muffin. Coming from Honda, I'm sure it's pretty expensive. What's wrong with it, Taryl? What are you going to do? You going to gut that muffin? You going to cut it apart and take all the guts out and make it. No, 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 I'm not going to do all that. Because the problem is right here. Now see what it says on the muffin? Honda screen type spark arrestor. So what does that mean? That means there's a spark arrestor on this muffin. You know where that spark arrestor is? It's right here. Here's the spark arrestor. They're hiding it on you. And look at that spark arrestor. Ha ha ha! It's plugged solid! This is like putting a potato in a tailpipe. Remember when we used to do that back in the day? Or maybe you guys didn't do that. Am I the only one that did that? Put a potato in the muffin or in the tailpipe. This is the same thing. It's all plugged. So we need to clean that. The reason they put this in there is they don't want sparks to fly out of the muffin and potentially start a forest fire. It's a safety thing. Again, it's with safety. So we can clean it, or it's up to you. You could take it out and throw it away. I don't advise that because it might start a forest fire. So we're going to grab it with a pair of tongs or hemostats or needle nose pliers or whatever tool you have to grab it. And then we're just going to take a propane torch and we're going to burn all that carbon off of there. Then you could take a little wire brush. Oh, that one's got bristles on it. Nylon bristles. I got a metal one around here somewhere. You know me, I'm always searching for stuff. Here I go. Here's some brand new ones hanging up in the new shop. We'll take a little brush. Now that we cooked it. Oh, it's still a little warm. But these fingers are dead. From grabbing so many hot things over the years. I have no feeling in them. Should be cool enough now. Still a little warm. We'll blow it out. Some shop air. Come here, shop air. No. I'm holding my breath. I want to breathe that stuff in. Still a little plugged on the end here. Oh yeah, this thing is really plugged. Make sure you get it nice and clean. It's plugged inside and out. I've never seen one this bad. Oh yeah. Let's get all those nasties off of there. There we go. This thing is really All right. Stick that back in there. Just 3 volts. Got 2 short ones and 1 long one that goes in the bottom. There we go. Tighten these up. This is an expensive little generator. I don't know what the intentions of the other shop were. I can only imagine. Maybe they told them it was junk. Knew that the spark arrestor was plugged. You know, and trying to get, oh, that thing's junk, it's just garbage, why don't you just leave it here, I'll scrap it for you. And then they'd clean the spark arrestor and turn around and resell it. Purring like a kitten now, woo! Purring like a kitten! So there you have it, grass rats. Maybe you've got one of these generators that you use for camping and stuff. And it's doing the same thing that I showed you. Now you know how to fix it. Take that muffkin off, take that spark arrestor out and clean it, and put it back together. Because hey, these are nice little generators. They're an expensive unit. They're real quiet. And it may be something as simple as that. Or you may say in the comment section, oh, I had one of them generators. They told me the same thing. I done junked it. Oh, I wish I would have known that. Oh. Now you're sick over it. So there you have it, grass rats. So go to our web store. We got all kind of stuff for sale. Like this beautiful Podunk County t-shirt. It's got a pocket on it. Put your spectacles in there. Like I do. Or maybe you want this cap, or this spark plug necklace, or one of the many other items that we have for sale on our store. Check it out. There's probably something there for you or someone you know. So go see it. Go check it out. Follow me with your generators with the plugged up muffin. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And as always, there's your dinner. Woo! Other shops said it was junk. They didn't know. They didn't know. Or they were trying to rip the guy off. Who knows? Only they know. But I know. I fixed it. And there's your dinner.